tapu pe mai afio ai te hamai. Ko ope o tau kakapa. E naro lani o tau iai. Na tapu atu pe moe. Hau toka e whanua ko tonga. Ka koe na ahukui e o te whenite. Kingi tu ko wona. Na tapu atu ki he mahina tu whakaua. Ato ai e whiao a hini ka kuina nasu pau. Na tapu atu ki a Pirinesi man matau. Na tapu atu ki a Princess Kalauni, Princess Sinai Takara. Na tapu atu ki a Princess Lato Fulbeka. Tala makaku ia te au whaia toa hamak na tu hakotoa o whaka e ke au whia mai he tokon maremia o tonga o kina tau he folio a kurea kai whakahoka ta whatomian e tau kamata ki ai fualotu e whakahoka peia koe tau lotu mea ta prayers manase latu pa wini tau malo.
Let the Spirit
Kuaga kembali ke Betario Kafini. Nah ini ko princess Ratu Fulbeka. Pas-pas banyak.
Các mời hao giải yêu Wow yêu Hilangi bumangan Tak mula auton Kau hao toka Kau temu kuang alfa Tebong Tak mula mahina Okay kukulus Tak ini kau ini nanas bau Kau fihuk iPhone 1 Tak mula fui lupa Kalau tak tahu maaf Tapu ki hoi mo pere hanya fio Tapu mo halot Watapu Muhammad Tapu Watapu mantukan parinia Tala mo kaabui kaya faki Tala fakatap kakato sonua melotu Kaya tuku ke ufangai Ofu antuk kafafita Kietu ibalani Ene kotofa Ampeheni Yateia Ailang-lang kotofe Konya aho Kufotu pesioma Tau haka Ufakafifia Ok mau haka Ailangi kotau Yang mau pata Ailang kotu Ifakafina ngaloa Ena afifio ha elea ki sana koe fiafini. Koe kondiseti whaka ali tuunga he ofa. O whaka ilonga aki whaka taha mo theohi ai whaamiri o Israeli tupo o iloa ko whaka paikola whawhetahima. Ea koe whawheta ia o fiafini koe a wheitau lalo a loto tatau Ha elea ai whiohi anga whiewhia. Whawheta e maukoloa. Koe whungani whuke konseti whakaari tuunga he ofa. Koe ngahi ofa katoa pē o tātāna ki he whiawhini. E tokoni ia ki ngahi mai mo tokoni ai tāhine kuini. O kāwai ai tokoni ki he whanau i iki o nau whakoutua he kansa. Tonga Children Cancer. Senita o kakai whiwhine me whanau me koe Tonga National Centre for Women and Children. Ea mo whanau o nau mo utamakia me koe Tonga Autistic Children. Koe kau whiwhine mo kau tangata te nau whakahoko ai whakaari o whiwhine. Koe totongi mai ki nau tolu e ni ihi o whamiri Ngahi kawa mea. O nau iheni kia mukato ngahi e ahpalohi o ene afio. Wike he lala. E mo ni ihi o whamiri o nau iheni ka uhi ka whakahapai koa. O ia o ko whiewhia ki whakahopa ai ka uhiwa o e whiawhini. Pea te moutok mea mai pe kia te kinautol i Stacy i kamata ai konseti. Ko manase latu ko tahiwa opera me o kalan New Lotima pome ko tahiwa he televisione me o kalan New Ruhi lavaki ko tahiwa he televisione me seme Australia. Pauline tamalo ko tahiwa opera me Hawaii America. O latu ko tahiwa me Utah America. Yenara Soko ko Nishela la lolotonga me Hawaii America. Onion Squad ko grupo hip hop me Tonga. Yang mohopoi ko tokon whakame alea ki kauhiwa. Ko tāpua ki mo whangamari e lahi kia te ki tautolu i Tongani. Tau whanongoa mo mātā. Ai lava mea e tau whanau tonga o nau nofong i mumi. O whuaki ang he eiki e tare e nitini mā ki nau tolu. Pea nau ngā ue lele aki. Pea whuaki ang pe e eiki i mua toi ngā lele na kehe. Pea tau inas kotoa e o ki tau tolu. whakamahaloa kia te kinau tolu na anawanga ofa. Whaitoponia whakamaanga mai e konseti whakaari tu he ofa e whakahapa i kola wa whetahina. Ko Lord and Lady Tupo, Lord and Lady Fusto, Honorable Semisika, whaiwhekau le hopoa me toa tonga one mai, aspau tonga one mai mo kainga hato kai menosina. Emma Aureliano, Isiola Sevelo, Tapiaka Bea, Jason Taumarono, Elisa Fotu mo Anafaila Fotu, Sela Tokia, Emerine Tuita, Ela Minions, Linda Mataere Kinikini, Amelia Mofatai Filo, Fuiva Motulalo Lado, Ika Iolonga, Motonga Power Limited. Opo Taritari Rere na Fifio, Peheka Kimotol, Maelea, ai holo whakamanato Gonzalo te. Ea tau kau whatahamua, ma kau tangata, ma kau whiwhine hiwa o e whiawhine. Hangia i ko whakaanau a puna ke te uhiki a hau te o whai atu ai whakamahalo. Lea pea e hiwa, mahalo si isu a hau o kawha. Ea tau kau whakataha me sāme tol wha, e suru a kiki o tolu. E wha wheta i kia sihova, i taini kotoa pea. Ko hono whakamahalo e iho kumutu makupe. E pole hoku lamari e ia sihoa. E whanongo ki ai ai kautu tāmaki. Pea te nau fie fia. Mo kau moa o ke wiki a sihoa. Pea tau hake aki i hono hua whakataha. Tawani me ke me ite alo te tatau. Pea ke hoko ai fia fini ko e fia fie fia. Mohta pojina leva he kau tatawat.
Manasseh Latu is an alumni of the University of Auckland, completing a Bachelor of Music with first-class honor. He was a recent game emergency artist with New Zealand Opera. Manasseh took collected and joining the Kiwi Fellow with the Dame Kiwi Kikanawa Foundation. He paspasi by one in the Royal College of Music, Manasseh Latu.
My name is Manasseh Latu. I'm the son of Meleswipi Fatawa Latu and Manasseh Latu. I come from Halauvawe Promotua, Fashmoyafi, and the land they call the Bauniono, the Matua Papa. But I currently live in the capital of Tonga, in New Zealand, Otahu. For my first song, we traveled to the beautiful country of Italy, the birthplace of opera. And this song, this aria I will be singing for you is Una furtiva lagrima, which is from one of the most famous operas composed, L'Elisir d'Amore, or The Elixir of Love. I would like to dedicate this song to you, Your Majesty, and wish you a blessed birthday tomorrow. Malo.
koe ki tangata ana hoko. Ai manako pe ki musika ni keisi. Ya taponi ni tamai ki no ako. Ko ruki lawaki. Mai nilere mai ni ya papa. Ya mo kolo. Ni fa hoko atu. Ini proklama ini ki ini. Ko ruki kawia ko tonga ki na proklama TV by voice ko in Australia. Igual que mani ka ruki lawaki.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruki Lavaki. I'm 17 years old and I'm from Australia. The song I'm going to be singing is more of a sing-along, so if you know the words, you're welcome to sing along. It's called One Call Away. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Me, kita bawa dia kita bawa rumah tu. Panjang baik, apa? So kita tahu, kalau itu orang bawa. Nah itu papel ini. Kalau kita ambil kerana ini bagi kuliah di Kutu, free houses now. Kalau kita sentuh apa ini, kita lihat ini. Kaya tapahingan ko Kalaman TV, ano sila, kapanilawa ko kung kawan ko kinahito, hinay tapaan kay ko'y talimit ihiba. Ko'y hako kaya ito tahan ko in South Auckland, the blanche and guy, ikuna, and if I hope you will hang I say out. We also like to put the hand for Channel 5. So, we're going to take Channel 5, Manam Kagawa, possible. Best song and best single artist for his song called Love and Affection. Vodafone Pacific Music Award 2018, the best song, the best video, the best single artist for the song Here to Stay. Island Music Award 2018, and he won the best video for the single Here to Stay in 2017. The most played song in New Zealand for 2019 was his song Here to Stay. Tapos pasipo
There's no one can run.
foki mai ki whakatokoni. O mātua ka tau mārono o kolo ka papau, pia kone hoa ka maata ni kuiha. Lamare rei au ka pārinea mau kona i toi Bachelor in Music, me here Westminster Choir College of Writing University. She's currently pursuing her Master's in Divinity through a scholarship to Claremont School of Theology in California. Talo pe, anu mea ngawe aki na konsias ke heke, na toko taha koe ni, na taha ka koe ni, na usia na hayaki. Pampi kokopa at pwede siya to koe. Was masimay, pampi kamay.
I shall sing of his praises, for he is worthy to be praised. I will lift my hands and worship him, for he is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. And I bow before him, for he is the Alpha and the Omega. He is the beginning and the end. And that is what makes us proud to be Tongans. Because it is God and Toma that is our inheritance. So glory to God. Thy power
For my next song, we go to the beautiful island of Spain, which is right next to Europa. This is
song, I'd like to dedicate this song to the little prince and princess. It's called Tennessee Whiskey. Hope you guys enjoy it. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're Tennessee whiskey. You're really sweet, strawberry wine. Stay strong. my soul said goodbye. When I saw you and him walking around, see, I would rather a blind girl than to see you walk away from me, yeah. And baby, I'd rather be blind than to see you walk away from me. Let's Tennessee whiskey, you're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. I stay slow on your love all the time. Thank you.
Now, suka. Kau mesti lalai dia menolak tali kau. Dia kawan baik, orang tali dia kau. Kau ini nara, bapa, kau Hawaii. Kau tak akan lagi suka. Kita fakir entertainment, Hawaii tinggi. Dia baik. Kalau menurut ini, ya film. Now, suka.
Wow,
Panginoon ay mas masingay ng kapatid. Mga o kopas ng pamite, si Igo na palawan matao, kapag kita mabuhay.
Your Majesty, it is an honor to dedicate this song to you, to wish you a happy birthday.
Standing in front of my good baby, the better is
This next song speaks of the great sentiments of what heaven should be like. What a wonderful day that shall be.
We go back to the land of opera, Italy, and tonight Popoe and I will perform a very well-known Neapolitan song called O Sole Mio. So please, for those of you who do know this song, please wait until you get home and sing it home.
Musika tau potahi dakta no fobe ai kai na e otu mai na mai age ko na ya fo to hiri na ya mai ai ki ona mo fulu tu ku mo fitu mo fulu tu ku na ma na kwa ba ke ai ma ka ba to na mo na mai ta no fu a ho ke ka ta be a ko ba fe wi a fa ka ba to e fitu mo fulu tu ku na ya ta ba ta ko ba ba ko to lo ma tu wa ni ko ma na tu ai to ta ne ta me lo wa ko lo ke te o frente Pea muhe ni ao me Salt Lake City, ki ni whakamanatu pēa na hima a whaikapa. E mana koa ia ia, i e fitu ko furu tupu e hapa oka vai tano a. Ka koe hiva ka kāma i a whaikapa toka. O paspasi mai te ao mai mana. Ka whanina, kāse, koe whanau tamai pe ai kai ngā me foi ore oti. Ka reo ai mo ui ka pi rama pe hima. Ito ki paspasi whanau. Ora. I ati o e whai matau o lunga. O kia i pēa i kōra manatai, ka mitalaki o a manungana whai tai kōra. O tui koe tukutuku e nai ahoni, o nā upikitai i nai ngā kēnga, i loa koe nipo. I e kua whetā whao, kai ai ki kulupu na ngā whukatuku, ana nau kamata ki nau kau e whaki whe auhi whakaroto whanua. Ana nau whakahingoa pe ki nau tō koe Onion Squad. Koe nau tāua, koe nau whakaanaua, ki iaha ahu ki nau whakafonga a tonga ki a whe auhi o toi mahia whakamāmatai. Tāua ia ki hangia koe kau street dancers o Amerika, o Australia, me o New Zealand. O kuia e kau whai ako me kau tiutare lea. Koe lo ngai whanau koe ni, koe o kōko horo pe e nau sio e whai mai. Lawa ai ki whakatahataha, e nau kau whakataha ka me tutu on the beach, e nau ngai o kukutu ki na papa management. Ai lawa ki ai e ki kurupu tāri niti koe ni ki whi au koe lahia. I e peleri o wanoa tāhiwa, whakuwhongai atua atoa he Onion Squad, i whiau he Pasifiki whakatoa e na e ua he Onion Squad. What a dream! O kea kua i whai, i whiau i a mamani, wa hoku i Arizona i Aokosi, i whiau hip hop. Ka taksela tūkia te man, koe team hip hop ki Aokosi a tonga, na whakofonga i a whanua, ki whiau ki world champion i hip hop. All started from scratch, but with a big dream, we came along up to this stage nowadays. Give it up, please, give another round of applause. Arizona, we are going to the Onion Squad.
song I'll be singing is about peace, love, joy, and unity. It's about bringing the world as one nation, one country. The song is called One Love. Will it make it easier on you now? You've got someone to blame. You say one love, one heart, when it's one need in the night. One love, we get to share, breathe, leaves you, baby, if you don't care. Come on, everyone, clap! Let's go! Hey! What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world, I think the real drama. Only to the things that we need drama. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. Hey, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? I wanna see, I wanna shout, I wanna scream to the words right out. So put it all on papers, I'm not afraid. They can read all about it, read all about it. Oh, 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 oh. Power of love, tell everyone you see how much better the world could be for them and for you, for me. And the power of love, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Everyone sing. One love, one heart, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One more time, come on. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Can we just give another round of applause for our wonderful musicians tonight? Are you having a great time out there? This next song, I would love to dedicate it to our beautiful and one and only princess, Fui Becca. And I'm so grateful and honored to be a part of your program tonight. cheating and stealing, violence and crime. And Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. So for my sake, show me the way, one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that is all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. So Lord, for my sake, show me the way. One day at a time.
One day at a time. E ho a fio. Ko fra ana wa ia ki ko mi ki ko ni ia ia. Ikai hai. Ikai ia ma o ma tau. Ke mau ka wa ia pu e fra mana tua. E a fai fo. O a fio. Ka ho kwa ia ko kalaman. Taine na tu futbeka. Ko uhi pe. Ke a watu ai ka tona ke te tinau to. Na ko ui. Taine ko ui na. Ko nai ko ko tu. Nai poesia fa kai sino ke te tinau to. Ko ia na fa ho ko ai tau ko ai sia sia. Ko tawa mai ko mini. Fai ese patamua. Yang kita mai ni, ya pristau faham. Man matau, kaba princess, kalabal mataah. Ipakahopa ni mo. Ano fuwa, ay ngayon na ako pauhin. Whakailomanga dentro uma family ai ona mo futa vai afion pamalola yato e fica pati con family ai mai America Australia na Indonesia pamaloma ke itu kon Malaysia ko foto ai venue na kita hokan proklaman. Dan behek koto o mai tau sound system ni poni. Malo mau itu kau ako ia bisa disini aku hen. Ini faka hopo ante toi na tau polkalama. Ito to mi tawai mo buat ni hen. Tau ki pas-pasi ai moa, ai which mao o no wa ki ai moa no high school. Kokore, okay, for the National Center of Women and Children, Kataki, Patulong Matipuan, Kefuake. Pamalawa tu foi makamari, e powaki ki exefe. Okay, pas-pasi pa. Ang kawin feina que vamos programar. O que tudo tem motor, o esse lá que está falando da parparificação social. Cada que fui lá para de ano, kita mesti kita faham, kita faham apa itu. Kita perlu. Mau pas-pas. Obrian yang I found out, ilo ape from my life autism. When I forgot to ako ini, okulai ay manabahaya ng family kinafta mahilot paman okulai na may ay kafata mo na utufay. Kau mau kau kau take campaign. This is the attention. Special attention. Kaya kaya performa metik na to na hoka te fanani. Kaya ke tu pa benta. Tahan na ku fikawaki ke tu fikahoka te na to ay. Bihe na misai lawa te te fikahoko o no fuak ay me ofa ko ya. Ye gulu ko ini dia ko ini. Bo pas-pasi mai kita ni. Ia dah tahu, homo foto po kibuy mai, bago ay inafio po nga fonwa tama pa ng buong lima. Kaya pagkailaway pa pe, si panaw na fukong tumuhekan sa Bagwak ko yung gafin, magkakumpay. Kaya tupe mo at fay hatapon yung tinitong. Ako ko rin, bayan ng mata, tayo, hawak mo ko yan. With fear, katagpag ko ang kalaman. Upas-pas naman, Bagufan at pe, bagufan at pe, talaga kato fulo, may fuka kayo yung iba. Kaya kataanay katungian matua, sini matua. Kaya tukuan ini sifana minawala man ito pulian. Kita hokwa, our final, our goodbye. Happy birthday, Your Majesty. Pas-pas. Koe katoa i te watamu ki Happy birthday, Your Majesty.